Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video you will learn that how to add Raspberry Pi 3 library to Proteus. So here you can see the library files. You can download this library from the link provided in the description. Open it and here you can see the library files. Open this and now copy both the files. Copy it and then go to this tab. From here you can see the the Proteus icon. Right click on it and now open the file location. So here you can see the main folder of Proteus 7. Go one step back to this and here you can locate the library folder. So open it and now paste all the files over here. So here you can see the Raspberry Pi 3 files are added. Now close it and open the Proteus software. If you have already opened it, close it and reopen it again, so it will upload the new libraries. Now here search for the components and search for Raspberry Pi 3. Raspberry Pi 3. So here you can see the Raspberry Pi 3. Double click on it. Now click on OK. Place it here and now zoom it to a specific area. So here you can see the Raspberry Pi 3 and you can see its pins. You can connect the power, ground and all the components with it like this. So this was the method of how to add Raspberry Pi 3 to your Proteus. You can download the libraries from the link provided in the description. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Visit my channel for more videos related to it. Thanks for watching.